Does your chart look anything like this? Crowded, confusing, and despite all of that analysis, still losing. If that looks familiar, then you're not alone. The majority of retail traders are taught to layer indicator on top of indicator, draw trend line after trend line, and wonder why nothing seems to work consistently. Now the problem isn't your discipline, it's your approach. Now I'm going to break this chart down by using the concepts I use in my own trading. The first concept is market structure. Now this is simply looking if the market is in an uptrend, so making higher highs and higher lows, or if it is in a downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. So if we take a look at this market, we can see we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So it's clear the market is making higher prices over time. Okay, the market is climbing. How market structure works is that every higher low should be above the next higher low. So we have this higher low here, and then we see this higher low is above the next higher low. So this would be our last higher low. So what we would be expecting is for price to pull back, okay, respect this higher low, and then continue to print a new higher high, okay? So we can capitalize on this because we know the market, the buyers are in control of this market and they are taking price higher. This is called a breakup structure, okay? It is simply a tool I use in order to mark on the trending direction, okay, which is trending upwards. Now what we would be looking to do is to look for a zone to buy from, and this is where I use supply and demand. So simply, if this is our higher low, we want to be looking for a trade above this level. So what we can see is we have a clear demand zone right here. Now, this demand zone also has imbalance leading into it. Now, imbalance is simply a concept I use as well in my trading, and all it means is that there is a gap in price at this point. Okay, you see the candles don't meet each other compared to here where we had this demand zone push up, price retested this and filled the imbalance. Okay, so this has imbalance leading into it, and imbalance acts as a strong magnet area for price. Now, what I would simply do here is place a entry on this demand zone with stops beneath the low, and our targets would be whatever our targets would be, okay? And this is pretty much how I would trade. So this is a much simpler and cleaner view of the market, okay? This is the same market, same price action, just a completely different perspective. And this is how I trade. A clean, systematic approach built around how the market actually moves, using concepts like market structure, supply and demand, imbalance, and liquidity. No clutter, no guesswork. Just a repeatable process I execute over and over again.